Tim Skell here, ABB HVACR Application Engineering, and we're going to be talking about setting up the ACH580, leveraging its standard text configuration for safeties, make it life a lot easier when somebody else has to come up and troubleshoot this unit. This is something that you'd be looking at doing during commissioning. Let's dive into it, and I'll show you how to do it, and we'll talk about some of the details. First step we're going to do is click on Menu, go into Primary Settings, and because the safety is related to starting and stopping, you go into the Start-Stop Reference section. Simply come down here to Interlocks and Permissive. So in VFD lingo, the interlock would be a safety. Factory default in the ACH580 has digital input 4 set up to be used as a safety. So what I'm going to do real quick here is simulate a safety opening up. So I'm going to open up digital input 4, and this is the message you're going to see on the screen. Start interlock 1 is keeping the drive from starting. So yeah, that's helpful if you walked into it. It lets you know that there's interlock open. But if I'm walking up to the drive for the first time to troubleshoot this thing, I would rather have a little bit more detail here. So I'm going to go ahead and close that interlock, and then I'm going to come into here and update the text. So we've got this description text right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit. And there's pre-canned simple English descriptions for different safeties. So I'm going to say, let's say we got a cooling tower that I'm commissioning right now, and I've got my vibration safety. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to vibration trip. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up digital input 4. Now it says start interlock 1, vibration trip is keeping the drive from starting. I tell you what, this is going to be a heck of a lot easier for troubleshooting. If you consider the maintenance person who may not be the drive expert, they come up here, immediately it tells them that the vibration trip is what's keeping the drive from running, and that's why their cooling tower is not running. You just saved a whole bunch of troubleshooting. So I'm going to go ahead and close my digital input 4 on the drive so that goes away. And in an upcoming video, I'll have a link to it down in the below, we'll have a link to how you can do customized text, which is one step further than just having that vibration trip. But as far as this pre-canned text, if you've got any questions on leveraging it, feel free to reach out to your local ABB drive specialist or your ABB application engineer. Thank you.